Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the file and a backup. Now start fixing text directly. First, open Word and save a copy so you can revert if needed. Then enable show/hide and reveal formatting to see paragraph marks, spaces, and styles. This reveals why spacing or alignment breaks. Once done, turn off track changes or accept harmless edits so stray markup doesn't interfere. This sets a clean working state and prevents accidental loss while you perform targeted corrections. Now you repair the text by addressing formatting at source. Clear all formatting on problem sections to remove hidden style conflicts, then apply a consistent style like normal or a custom one you control. This fixes inconsistent fonts and sizes. After that, set paragraph spacing, line spacing, and indentation through the paragraph dialog to align lines correctly. Finally, run find/replace to remove non-breaking spaces, extra tabs, and unusual characters. This bulk step corrects repeated glitches across the document. Finish by checking content flow and export stability. Run spelling and grammar and use read aloud to catch wording or missing punctuation. This improves readability. Then save as. Docx and export to PDF so you can verify final layout and embedded fonts on other devices. If text still behaves oddly, try compatibility mode or copy the cleaned content into a new blank document. This often removes corrupt formatting. One key troubleshooting tip. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.